In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or insert images in your Tableau dashboard. This is a straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be seamlessly integrating visuals into your dashboards, enhancing both their aesthetic appeal and functionality. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to launch the Tableau application on your computer. If you're familiar with Tableau, you probably already know how to do this. But if you're new, simply locate the Tableau icon on your desktop or the Applications folder and give it a click. Once the app is open, it's all about creating or selecting the project you'll be working on. Next, navigate to your worksheet. This is where your data and visuals come to life, and accessing your worksheet ensures you're ready to incorporate images into the existing setup. If you've already created a worksheet, just open the file. If not, take a moment to set one up. It's important to have a clear idea of where this image is going to live within your data narrative. Now, let's move on to your dashboard. Access it through the Dashboard panel on the top banner of your Tableau interface. Dashboards are an excellent way to compile multiple worksheets, visuals, and now images into a cohesive report. Make sure your dashboard contains all the elements you'd like organized so the new image complements them effectively. With your dashboard ready, you need to drag the image object onto the canvas. This is done by finding the image option on the left panel and then clicking and dragging it to your desired location on the dashboard. Think of this step like placing a puzzle piece into your overall picture. It requires you to consider both layout and space to create balance. After placing the image object, click to fit and center the image within the space allotted on the canvas. This is crucial for maintaining a polished and professional appearance, as it makes sure everything is aligned and aesthetically pleasing to the viewer. The next step is selecting your source. Click the Choose button to select an image from your device. This could be any JPEG or PNG file stored locally. Remember, the image should complement or add value to your data narrative or thematic message. If you have the image hosted online, you may choose to use a URL instead. Simply input the URL of the image you intend to use. This feature is pretty handy for those who manage data centrally or have dynamically updating images. Once you've selected an image, click Apply and then OK. This saves all your changes and commits the image to your dashboard. Finally, you're free to move your image around, resizing or repositioning it as needed until it fits perfectly in your dashboard's overall design. This ability allows for flexibility and encourages creativity in how you present data, offering a visually engaging experience to your audience. That's it. Now you have the skills to add images to your Tableau dashboard, enhancing the storytelling potential of your data.